Meaning of Gary Larson.
Gary Larson.
Gary Larson.
Gary Larson.
Gary Larson. Gary Larson is a well-known American cartoonist, best known for his comic strip The Far Side. The strip ran from 1980 to 1995 and was known for its quirky humor and offbeat characters. Larson's unique drawing style and wit set him apart from other cartoonists of his time and earned him a devoted following. His cartoons often feature animals, aliens, and other odd creatures in hilariously absurd situations. Despite retiring from cartooning in 1995, Larson remains a beloved figure in the world of comics and continues to have a strong influence on modern cartoonists.